When you need to transfer water, such as emptying a large tank or swimming pool, or when cleaning liquid or sludge from a wash bay pit or containment tank, the Pit Boss SludgeSucker is the tool for you. Using your pressure washer, it eliminates the need for expensive transfer pumps. Simply attach the Pit Boss to your pressure washer lance, place the 15-foot by 1.5-inch discharge hose into the catch container, and lower it into the tank, pit, or container, and pull the trigger. The 0-degree spray creates a powerful Venturi suction, drawing 43 gallons per minute and over 2,500 gallons per hour through the discharge hose, making short, easy work out of the dirtiest job. Mud, sludge, floodwater, and sewage are no match for the Pit Boss. See your local Hotsy dealer for this and other time and labor-saving accessories.